All right, hello, it's 10 o'clock, February 27th. Welcome to the weather update. A fairly sunny, clear day today. A lot of wind, though, and it was mild. And maybe a little bit of haze in the air, I noticed, but unfortunately, I didn't, excuse me, I did not go to the Pines because I'm just afraid to push myself. I will try again tomorrow. Anyway, current satellite, you can see the clouds from this Arctic front moving through. If we look at the radar, you see there are a couple of snow showers here up to our north. I don't see anything about snow squall warnings on here. Refresh this. No, nothing. I think no snow squalls, but it might be a snow shower that we may have to deal with. Let's look at the current conditions outside right now. You can see the winds have picked up a lot. Temperatures are already dropping. 37 at Islip, but look at these wind gusts. 30 at Islip, so 37 at LaGuardia. So these wind gusts are pretty bad. Look at how much warmer it is in Jersey, too. 40s. 44 there in Lakehurst, so much warmer there. We look at the dew points. I'll put the dew points on the screen. You'll see the dew points are in the teens. So let's go and look at Islip's weather for the day. You know what? I'll just use this already. So it's 38. Northwest wind to 29, gusting to 30. And it hit 47 at Islip. 47 was the high. And you can see very strong westerly winds throughout the day. Very windy day today. Was not expecting it to be that windy, but it is, and it's quite windy outside right now. So let's look at what the highs were across the area today, and I'm sure we'll see that big difference between New Jersey and Long Island. Let's go ahead and take a look and see. So Islip 47, 47 at Shirley, 46 at West Hampton, 48 at LaGuardia. Not that huge of a difference. 49 in Lakehurst. I see a 51 in Bayville, so a little bit warmer there. That is above normal for this time of the year. And with that wind, it really didn't feel all that warm or pleasant out there. And we can go to the low temperatures. Do we get any radiational cooling? Not really that much. 25 at Islip. West Hampton got down to 16. So let's go look at the models here. We have this little Arctic front passing through that is going to be bringing us that slight chance of a snow shower in the next, 3 to 4 hours or so. And then we should clear out high builds in for your Monday, but it's very quick, and it moves on out by Monday night, Tuesday, moves offshore. We get the return flow, so that brings the temperatures back up again. And then we have another weak front passing through for Thursday, and it looks like another possible Arctic front. And that'll bring another similar area of high pressure for Friday. And then we could be dealing with a little rain for the weekend with a couple of systems perhaps. And this is going into March now, just kind of looking at the long-range pattern a little bit. And that is the next high there that'll build in for Wednesday, March 9th. So it's a progressive pattern. Things are moving along, fortunately. So taking a closer look at what we got going on here, let's go to the HRRR model. I'll look at the zeros, the HRRR. And you see these snow showers here. They kind of just barely even shows up. And after that, we're dry. We're dry right through Tuesday night. Let's look at the wind flow and dew points to get an idea here. So you see that west wind there becoming more northwest, and you can see that dry air coming in. The crux of the dry air over us for tomorrow, northwest winds. But then as you get toward the evening, to around midnight, I would say, the winds kind of become light. Could have a good radiational cooling night, and then we have that southerly flow on Tuesday. That's going to bring in milder air. So it's just a one day to deal with these the bitter cold temperatures again. So tonight, you see the cold air coming in. By morning, we are around 20 degrees. And tomorrow, it actually seems to have backed off a little on the cold. We'll probably make it close to freezing. And you're probably going to make it above freezing in Jersey. It seems colder over in Long Island. And then tomorrow night, we're going to have that radiational cooling, perhaps. And then for Tuesday, look at that. Nice warm up there. Jersey, you're going to scud up to 50. And Long Island will be in the mid-40s. So we'll see that change coming in on Tuesday. So it's only one day to deal with this cold. But we'll have another cold air outbreak. If we look at the GFS again, you can see the colder air getting back into the picture here Thursday and Friday, especially. Very similar to today. Almost looks like a carbon to Monday. Very similar carbon copy. And then as we get toward the weekend, some really warm air tries to get close to us, but I'm not going to look too much into that right now. So let's go to the skies. And I'll go to the RGM, looking at the skies here. So here are the skies, and you can see those clouds tonight. They should go away by the morning, and we should be mostly sunny. We are going to have to worry about this cirrus that may try to move in, but I don't think that's going to be an issue until later in the afternoon, like 4 o'clock or so maybe. Start seeing that. I don't think we're going to have to deal with too much of that. I think we'll have a mostly sunny day, but we'll definitely be dealing with that cirrus on Tuesday. Quite a bit of it, actually. It looks pretty thick on there. And then for Wednesday as well, perhaps a little bit of it. Let's go to the NAM skies. After all, every model has a different opinion on the skies. And NAM's a little bit quicker. It's about the same with the cirrus, but I think we'll have a clear day. And then we'll see more of those clouds for your Tuesday, I think. Let's go to the RGM. Oh, we already looked at the RGM. Okay. So I'm not going to go any of the others. We can look at windy.com and just see how this does with the clouds for tomorrow as well. So this is 10 a.m., 3 p.m. You can see a little bit of that cirrus trying to get in. So the best skies probably be in the early part of the day. We should be okay. The issue is that we have that upper level moisture that might try to come in. So if we look at the humidity here, you'll see here, we take this up to 350. This doesn't do 350. It does 300. But you can see you have a little moisture there. This is 1 p.m. You want it orange, and it's not completely orange at 300. It's orange in the morning. Once you get toward later on, 4 p.m., look at that. A lot of blues. So that could mean a lot of cirrus coming in, or a lot of contrails forming at least. It might not be any clouds, but when you have the airplanes flying through it, it's going to create those lingering contrails when you have that. So I'll have to see what happens with tomorrow. Hopefully we can at least get some clear skies. It's been a week since I've been to the Pines. Actually, it's been more than a week. But it's like I'm trying to rest because of this. I really would prefer to pass these kidney stones. But unfortunately, I have not passed them yet. Well, it's just one really large one and two smaller ones. But hopefully I'll pass them soon. I'll drink this lemon juice. Hopefully that'll help. That's what I read anyway. Just keep drinking. That's the main thing. Drink water, drink lemon juice, keep drinking lots of fluids. Which, again, you can only bring so many fluids when you're in the middle of the woods. So that's why I'm kind of skittish about it, but I guess I got to get back in there. But anyway, that's going to be it for this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.